Alright, hey guys, here's a 52-inch Hunter original ceiling fan. Now, I changed the lighting situation a little bit. I had to remove the middle Christmas bulb because the Hunter original blades are actually hitting the fan. And these backlights, those strip lights, were shining in my camera. And they also caused too much strobing from the fan. So I turned them off. So they won't cause people to have seizures. So yeah. Here's a 52-inch Hunter original ceiling fan. This is in 1080p 60, but sometimes I figure on YouTube, sometimes it needs like 2 hours to make the HD quality. That's why it just only shows 360p. So yeah, here it is. 2 or maybe more hours to show off the 360p. I did put a light kit on it. This is a broken light kit from the Builder's Best, but the light socket still worked. So yeah. I did try putting some LED bulbs. The CFL's not that bright for this fan, but the CFLs for the camera lights are bright. But I tried a couple LEDs, but I tried a vintage one. That one was cool white, and I don't like the look of cool white. Although I have a cool light bulb in the blue light on the right light. So yeah, here it is. So I did put an LED, put whatever's left over from my LED bulb box, and put it on here. So yeah. Here is the light. This light could actually drop because the Builder's Best actually fell on me one time. I wasn't paying attention. Maybe I might have to straighten it out a little. Maybe without breaking it. Like it's actually white. I wish I painted it black to match it, the fan. Or put a bronze one to match the fan. Because this fan's kind of black. It's kind of matte black. Here's love. I actually like this fan a lot. But I wish I put a black light kit on it and a clear glass on it and a vintage bulb for this face and make a better lighting than the these strip lights. When I'm not filming, I use the strip lights, but I'm filming right now, so I turned them off. Which are actually the house lights. Whose house is this? Our house! That's one thing my school says. And I did a live stream with this fan, and the terrible one is that all I just hear is Uncle Leon playing the piano. Leon's my dad's brother, and he plays trombone, and he also plays some piano too. I'm gonna go to medium. Some piano. Piano. And then my dad also took piano lessons, but he's been really busy. I know my Uncle Leon likes to play piano. He's my dad's brother. Probably explained it in a live stream with this fan. So yeah. This fan says 92 on it. It could have been manufactured in 92. Here's the light. Are these lights on? my nana in her old house. She one time took the globe off of her fan, make her fan slow. But I wonder what happened. I pulled the fan pull chain and it went just like high was fast, medium was also fast, and low was pretty fast. It was like medium. I wonder what happened to low speed. Could have shorted out, I think. Or the wires could have done it. But one time she took the globe off of her Halsey ceiling fan in her old house in Falmouth, Massachusetts. Or Hampton Bay Landmark. I can call it a Halsey because I don't know what the fan is. Hampton Bay Landmarks have 3 lights. Anyways, go to high. This thing does move a lot of air. So yeah. Whose house is this? Our house. Yeah, here's high. Seems a lot of air. I'm gonna spin down. My music teacher likes to say, "Whose house is this? Our house," to get everyone's attention. And the students say, "Our house." So I know there's a restaurant that has these in somewhere around Hingham Harbor. It's called Tosca. That has like these everywhere. That has like lots of these. And they all run pretty slow. I think the change probably set to medium to have an static low speed. Having a static low speed. Now I actually like them all running on low. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool look. Now I'm gonna. Is it in reverse? Nope. Low reverse. And they actually all. I actually remember going to that place one time. One time with my mom's friends. I don't know. Back when I was a kid. I might probably could have eaten there, but Cafe Tosca we go to more often than that Tosca place. But sometimes I peek in the window and I see lots of these. And there's also another one called Quarry that has these too. I don't know what the old name to the old restaurant was, but it had an original name, but it went out of business. But it's now called the Quarry. They all run pretty slow, too. It's pretty cool that you see a lot of these running pretty slow. These 4-bladed ones. It's cool restaurant design. Anyways. Now I don't want to hit any light bulbs because this is going to blow a lot of air in reverse. Because I know it almost broke the light bulb because I found a filament broken too. And I don't want it to catch on fire. So I took it out. That's about medium. Here is high. I can make your hands clap. They play that song a lot at my school in the dances. And I'm getting a little tired of that song. And sometimes... Well, I did it on one of my musical auditions because everyone I know likes that song. Okay, that'll be it for this fan. Thanks for watching and have a good day.